Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another vlog. If you're new here, my name is Ugochinyere and here we do everything faith, beauty, food, hair, lifestyle vlogs in general basically. And yeah, you're welcome back to another vlog. So this is me clocking in an attempt to vlogmas and fingers crossed I see it to the end. But yeah, I'm just trying to do this intro to hold myself accountable. I know that okay, yes, I've started and I can go on from here and we see what the month has in store for us. But yeah, so in the spirit of Christmas, I gifted myself, or would I say, well, I got something that I've always needed basically in the house, and it's a chest freezer. Like, what is also Christmas without bulk cooking and, food cooking and all of that? And what is cooking and bulk cooking without storage? So, yeah, I need more storage basically. As you can see, I already have a double door fridge with a freezer down, and it's been serving, but I need more space. No need for long talk. So I just want to show you guys and then would unbox it together. And I'm pretty excited. Yeah, I'm pretty excited about that. And just knowing that, okay, no matter how much I cook, I have enough space to store them up and I'm chill.
You can bank on it. You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I stamp on it. In a private plane, I lamp on it. Lele oh, then they call me bank on it. Cause I walk around with the bank on him. Show them Gangnam Style, put the gang on him. Twist my fingers up on a bang on him. Lele oh, yeah. Tobalo ko macho, yeah. Tobalo mako macho, yeah. Nobody know tomorrow. Choro ka choro.
Excuse me, let her pass. And the torso.
And if a boy feel macho, make him lick red like a tomato. If him not dead, then he comatose. No go fambo. As that day comes, as I go on, God watch over me, oh Lord. I cannot trust my neighbors. As that day comes, as I go on, God watch over me, oh Lord. I cannot trust my neighbor. Bank on it. You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I stop.
Hi guys, it's the morning of the wedding and I'm about to get ready. Really wouldn't be boring you guys with all the process and everything. Don't worry guys, if I'm looking here, I have a mirror there. But yeah, I'm about to get my makeup done, just something light, and I'll tie my gilly as well. Whatever I can walk around that, and then I'll get ready. And when I'm done, I'll just come on here and show you guys the full fit. Yeah. So the color of the day is um maroon, white, navy blue, and gold. So I guess I'm just going to walk around that. You can't be wearing all the colors, right? So just pick what you have and make sure to look good in it. So I'm going to be pairing up two colors from the color of the day and just make sure that I can blend in and look good. So yeah, just want to get started. I wouldn't want to go late. So yeah, let's get ready. So guys, I don't know if you guys can see me properly, but yeah, I'm all dressed and this is what I got to do with the gele. I guess it's dramatic, but at the same time it's simple and I love it. And I'm pairing it up with not much jewelries. If I'm looking here, guys, I have a mirror there, obviously, and I'm panting because I'm rushing. But yeah, this earring I got from my girl, my best girl, and yeah, just my rings, and then this bracelet, not to do much around the neck area. And yeah, this is the full fit, guys. This is the full fit, and I look good, right? I look good. I'm so happy everything turned out good. And yeah, I think this is a decent look. So this is a white with a touch of, brown undertones. And this is my gold scarf. Yeah, and actually I paired it with my brown shoe, and this matches so well with the scarf that I have on. So yeah, this is the full fit, guys. And yeah, one more thing, guys. I'm rushing, don't mind me. So, one more thing, I'm pairing it up with this silver purse. This should work. This is with the purse. I don't want to do something noisy on my hand. So, yeah, this is it. And I just thought to pop in here and show you guys the full fit. And yeah, let me be on my way. Bye, guys. Mwah. And also, sorry, I forgot to let you, can you guys see the makeup? Something simple, not too noisy, and I didn't even draw my brows, but it looks so good. And I guess the statement here is the lip. I tried out a combo and it worked. I took a risk, and yeah, like it came out good, and I love it. So yeah, let's get right out. Bye, guys.
You need a family that is happy, a family that is joyful. So your marriage shall be sweet. Let God lead you. Whatever idea you are carrying from where you are coming from, talk to each other, speak to each other. And make sure that you pray well. Very important.